Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
He doesn't fight the wood. He understands it. Each move with the saw is deliberate, graceful, lethal. That's not luck. That's experience forged by time and timber. This man isn't just cutting trees. He's writing poetry with steel. You don't gamble with trees this big. You bring in the Cat 345 BL. Its precision arm, relentless power, and unmatched reach make it more than a machine. It's a tactical decision. Stubborn stumps, not anymore. The Woodland Mills, WG 24PTO, is a stump grinding beast. Its 24-inch flywheel and 34 carbide teeth don't just scratch the surface, they go 6 inches deep and leave nothing behind. Hook it up to any 15 to 45 horsepower tractor, and you've got a reliable, no-nonsense partner for serious land work. Trees are unpredictable, dry, brittle, and waiting to snap. One wrong cut, and gravity does the rest. Loading logs onto the truck is no simple task. It demands precision, teamwork, and trust. Every movement, every signal matters. When man and machine move as one, the job gets done, smoothly, safely, and powerfully. It's a daily grind, hauling timber from deep in the forest to the drop-off point. For the truck drivers, it's not just a job, it's a commitment, a rhythm, a way of life. Through mud, dust, and long miles, they keep the wheels turning. It's tough, honest work, and it deserves respect.
ayağımız burası.
Tree was still standing, but the man had already fallen. In forestry, danger doesn't wait. One misstep, 1 second. That's all it takes. This isn't just a machine, it's a game changer. The Halverson HWP 140B is built like a tank, with hydraulics that crush through logs like butter. No more exhausting hours swinging an axe, just load, cut, and stack. Fast, clean, efficient. Less sweat, more firelight. That slope doesn't give second chances. You either have the engine for it or you don't. And this one, it's got more than enough. The JCB excavator takes land clearing to the next level. With an impressive 20-ton lift capacity, it clears up to 3 hectares of land every day in perfect conditions. Even when the terrain gets tough, it guarantees at least 1 hectare per day. This machine is more than just an asset. It's the heart of your project, making sure every minute counts and every hectare is cleared efficiently. Some jobs you don't gamble with. Clearing land for a major development, for instance. If you're not experienced with the terrain or machinery, one wrong move can set you back days, or worse. Let the professionals take charge. They have the skills, the equipment, and the knowledge to get it right the first time. No log is too big, no load too heavy. The LA 1065 takes them all, calmly, powerfully, like it was built for this. One machine, total control. It's amazing how the Hitachi ZX135-60 handles trees. No jerks, no struggle, just clean, smooth cuts. Like it was built for precision from root to crown. Ever wondered what the view looked like back then? Well, if you're a crane operator who prefers tofu over T-bone, this one's for you. Watch the full video. It's pure plant-powered precision. One moment, it was standing tall. The next, it's dust, mulch, and memory. That's what happens when you face a machine built for destruction. But nature doesn't cry. It transforms. The end of one thing is always the beginning of something else. $15.5 tons of lifting force, inside a machine barely over 5.5 meters long. The NOAA 170D4R, paired with the Epsilon crane and PR 28L 2620 tires, turns precision and power into one seamless experience. Even in tight terrain, you're always in control. And today, Cher proved it. Sometimes it's the simple things. One man, watching another, rolling yet another. Meanwhile, the world of machines keeps turning. Cutting trees, lifting trunks, dragging logs. The S770 does it all without breaking a sweat. When machines work this hard, we can focus on doing what we do best. Let the forest feel your rhythm.
Turn that saw off.
The video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.